Welcome to our Magento 2 tutorials. Today we will take a quick look at the shopping tools. And what are the shopping tools? Your store includes a set of shopping tools that create opportunities for customers to interact with your store and share the experience with friends. For examples, product ranking. Product ranking helps build a sense of community and are considered to be more credible than any advertising money can buy. The Email a Friend link makes it easy for your customers to share links to products with their friends. A wish list is a list of products that a registered customer can share with friends, or save to transfer to the cart at a later date. The Compare Products block lets your customers quickly compare the features of one product with another. The Stock Availability shows the remaining stock items. And many others more. Coming up next, we will look into detail about the email tool. HexaSync. Connecting applications, automating processes,